When you come out here, it's 2 straight days of training. This is a good way to put both feet in, make a commitment, and just go for it.
I'm kicking myself for not doing it earlier. The amount of stuff that I've learned that will save me hours and hours a week is pretty amazing.
Everybody's so welcoming, everybody's so nice, everybody's so comforting, helpful. You don't get customer service like this anywhere. It's amazing. It really is amazing.
It's opened up my eyes a lot. I feel like I'm beginning to be a part of a company that we can all of us grow together.